2 days. And this is why we have to understand when we do our due diligence, this is why we always have to praise and rejoice on a daily. You understand? And peace and blessing for those who just came in here as we bring in week 3, Shabbat, Shalom. And once again, as we deprogram for being programmed from the beliefs that you might have came from, for us to understand that the God that we praise in this Bible is Elohim, and that's God of Israel, and this is what it teaches as well too. And this is why we have to understand that when you hear those speaking Hebrew words, that lets you know that they paying honor and respect as well because it's in Hebrew. We might have an English Bible, but at the same time, you can respect in the Hebrew language as well too. And that's let's go to skip down to 14. And 14 said, and God said, let there be light in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day and from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years, and let them be for lights in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth. And it was so. And God made 2 great lights, the greater light to rule the day as you see right now, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also, and that's the moon and the stars. And I don't see the moon out right now, but it do be behind me as well. But as we see in the the sunset, this is God's creation. That's what we read. You understand? And it said, and God set them in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth. And the evening and the morning were the 4th day. You understand? And as we read into everything else about how God created it, the creatures and things, and as we know, and God said, let 24 said, and God said, let the earth bring forth the evening creatures, after his kindle, cattle and creeping things, the beasts of the earth after his kind, and it was so. And God made the beasts of the earth, and after his kind, and the cattle after their kind, and everything that creeps upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. So as we know, as you see those out there fishing, God created fish. But at the same time, we have to understand that Leviticus teaches what type of fish that we should eat as well too. And if you know that you eating catfish and all the other bottom feeders and shrimp and crabs and things like that, you need to stop eating that because all that's abomination. You understand? So as 26 says, and God said, let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps upon the earth. So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him, male and female, created he them, and God blessed them. And God said to them, be fruitful and multiply and replenish the earth and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over every living thing that moves upon the earth. And as we see, as we said, as for those that you see was fishing, they give them something to eat as well too. You understand? And as we 29 said, and God said, behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in which is fruit of a tree yielding seed, to you it shall be for me. You understand? And as it said in there, to every beast of the earth, and to every fowl of the air, and to everything that creeps upon the earth, wherein there is life, I have given every green herb for meat. And it was so. And God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very, that is kind of windy, but it was very good. And the evening and the morning were the 6th day. And as we know, he created everything in 6 days. And as he created in the 6th day, and this is when Genesis 2 come in, and it teaches us as well too. So as we do our due diligence, understanding that the Father had created everything in